Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly contest 278, all divisions with the highest score of a binary array. So this one is not that annoying. The key thing to observe about this problem is the size of n, right? Because n is 10 to the 5th, so obviously you cannot do an n square algorithm, which is to test every division. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, especially if you want to talk about contest problems. And yeah, people love talking about contest problems here in my in my Discord, and a lot of smart people there. So definitely, try to keep a funny environment. But anyway, so the key thing about this part is just trying to do things in a way such that you do it one at a time. And there are a couple of ways you can do it. I think one way you can think about it is prefix sum. You could do prefix suffix sum and then just do the count that way. I think that way is actually the easiest to do. I actually end up okay. I actually only took 4 minutes, but I actually made some silly off by once the way that I did it. But I think if you would just do a suffix like suffix ones, and then start by counting zeros, and then or count by number of ones at the end and number of zeros in the prefix, then you could just do a for loop for it, and you could do it very quickly like some people have. The way that I did it is by a sliding window, which is kind of a little bit just potentially like there are a couple of mistakes that I made even typing this out, so definitely there's some potential for betterness here, but I will go over the way that I did it. The way that I would recommend it, especially during the contest, is that way though, because that way, even though it is of n space, it is just harder to get wrong if you do a suffix sum or like a prefix sum on the reverse array for ones and a prefix sum on 0, and then you could just do a for loop. So that's the way that I would recommend doing it. The way that I did it is sliding windows. First, I get the total of this. The total is just the number of ones in the array, so that you begin the problem with the invariant or with the state that all the ones that you have, well, that's the division, right? Division you start at before the index of 0, and then and then you put the possible answer, and then as you see, when you see a 0, and then now you process moving that divider from left to right. And when that divider moves from left to right and the number that you change is 0, then your score goes 1, because that means that you added a 0 to the left side and you removed the 0 from the right side, which doesn't matter. Where on the other side of, if you removed a 1 from the right side, then you lose 1 point and you don't get a point from having 1 more on the left. So that's basically the idea here. And of course, this is just going through the just keeping track of the score, and I trust that you know how to do this part. Basically, if the score is the same, or if it's the high score, we keep track of the index. Otherwise, we update the score and have the new index. Just like tie-breaking things. This is going to be linear time, linear space anyway, because of this answer, which is output sensitive. So another way that you could say is that this is O plus maybe O of n plus k, where k is the size of the output, and in that case we have O of k space, which is it's definitely better than O of n, but depends on the texture of the input, I suppose. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. So once again, just sliding window and then doing the maths, it's pretty okay. You could watch me solve it live during the contest next. Oops, wrong button. Can't believe like I said, loading was the time thing on that one. So number of zeros and so yeah, math is tough. Okay, so we have this, and then a little bit slow on this one. I mean, I knew what to do, but it's a little bit awkward. But maybe it's wrong anyway, so why? Tell me why. -2. No, so I did it the other way, that's why, but it should not be -2. The 2 and 0, and it goes to this number, and then it goes 2. Is it just 1? If it's 0, then this is 0. Okay, whoops, I guess I messed up. Double count it. There's still an issue here. Why? So the best score is 3, which is right. Oh, this is left +1. That's why. Okay. Hopefully no silly mistake, because this already took too long. The judging is a little bit longer for a linear thing, which is kind of weird, so maybe we'll come back to it. Okay, let's come back to it. Okay, it's good. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord, especially if you like talking about these contest forums. Hope you did well, and let me know about what you think about this forum. Stay good, stay healthy. To comment down. Good. No, okay. Stay good, stay healthy. To good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye bye.